Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. We are
the H family.
And today's meal is actually sponsored
Kinani Express.
Yes, by his bosses Sam and Cassandra. Thank you. This is gonna be our first time trying
Shisha Cafe Kebabchi Grill. It's located at 5500 Babcock Road for those of you in San Antonio.
Yes, and let's tell them what we have.
All right, so sorry guys, I gotta read off the receipt. I don't know, I can't name all this stuff. We have one beef tikka plate,
which is
this right here, and then we have I think the rice that it has in it is biryani
rice. Yes.
One lamb tikka sandwich.
It's one. I just cut it. Oh, you can see it inside.
One chicken. Oh man, chicken kebab sandwich.
And that came with a side of fries. Yeah.
And then we have one jabin, which is the pizza-looking stuff that we have. Show it together. Ugh. Dang, the bright.
The lighting is so bad right now. It's like bright.
All right, and then we have we also tried to get the green sauce that we had last time.
We'll try it. Get it. We'll try it.
We had the we tried it looks completely different. Like it's completely just oil.
But we're gonna try it with the naan bread.
We're gonna try it.
Right? That's what this bread is? Naan bread.
And then we have regular naan bread. And that's it.
And to drink we have the blue one today, yeah.
Berry lemonade.
Sunkissed. Yes. Did they put forks and spoons in there for us?
No.
Let me be right back, guys. I have to move the whole table. Just so I can go and get it. Move, girls. Move, girls.
If we lose a light, I apologize. Doggies are going crazy right now. Not because of the fireworks. Nobody does fireworks anymore.
What are you talking about fireworks for? We're not...
The 4th of January 1st?
Yeah, but that's long gone already, baby.
4 days? We didn't even talk to them on New Year's.
I know, because we said we were going to be with family.
Whatever.
Nice.
Y'all love me, right?
I sure do. Some spoons.
I'm gonna try the pizza stuff first.
Okay. Also, if y'all wanted to know about Kinani Express, it's a non-emergency
medical transportation.
Yes. And those that have insurance, there should be a number in the back. If you don't have transportation,
on the back of your insurance card, there should be a number. Where's my ride? And they get you in contact with us. Yes.
All you have to ask is for Kinani Express, because they have other companies also, but y'all want to ask for Kinani Express. All right, guys? All right, let's get into this.
I don't want to bash anybody, but other companies be driving with like doors that are half open.
Oh, yes. Yes. I can. That happened to me, okay? All right, let's get into this bite. What did you want to start off with?
I'm going to try it with pizza.
The cheese pizza?
Jimin.
I don't know. They also gave us like pickles on the side with the pizza thing. And tomatoes. I'm just going to add some on there.
There's this weird sauce that the...
Good.
What
does it taste like?
That's a kick.
Like a spice cake? Yeah.
I think it's hummus.
Mm-hmm. This is good.
Put some onions in there.
Talking about hot sauce. This is good, guys. What is it? What's the name for this again? I'm gonna put some habanero sauce.
I believe it's jibbin.
And it's let me see. Trying to see if I see it on here. But I think it's called like a cream pie. I believe that that's what they called it.
A cheese pie.
Oh, yes, a cheese pie. We were just trying to get a little bit of everything they had there. Just put it right here, actually, and then dip.
The fries taste like curly fries.
Alright, what do you want to go next?
Let's do this. Because this looks good.
Mm.
All right.
Don't put it in front of us.
There we go.
Alright. And this is the
Beef tikka plate.
Mm-hmm. And that's one of our lights, guys. You try to pick it up? You went under the table, oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. It's the way it is with dogs. Hey.
All right, I'm back.
But yeah, and that's why he wore his shirt today too, since it's being sponsored by Kinani Express, guys. All right, so we're trying this again. Let's do this. I need me a fork too. And we got it well done, the beef. Okay, let me see. When you fix the light, it's not that great.
You want me to fix it?
Mm-mm. Unless you reach with your foot. There you go. Alright, hopefully nothing else happens.
I like the rice.
The rice is really good. So it's a meat. We'll try with a little bit of this hummus. Oh, the salsa picas. Habanero.
Oh my god. No, I'm not going to leave. Don't worry. You just caught me a little off guard.
It's habanero. Put some of that hummus and some of my sauce.
Oh,
Also, this is how big the naan bread is, guys.
A whole Little Caesars pizza?
Breathe,
Go a
baby,
little.
breathe.
Sorry, guys. I can't breathe.
If you hear him breathing right now, it's because
I'm a little under the weather.
Yeah, he's a little stuffy. Mm-hmm. Fry. Guys, and this was not cheap. But so far, it's really worth it. It's good.
Oh my gosh.
This one's Kai, guys. She's chilling right here on the side. Just a little message. Be kind to all kinds. Alright. I want to get into which one you want to try? The lamb first?
Yes.
Move your bread from there. Okay.
Sorry, I got a message from one of the
Cassandra.
bosses.
Here you go. We're going to go with the lamb. Cheers. Try without the sauce. And this has hummus inside it also. And pickles. And tomatoes. It's really good. I'm putting some habanero. What did it say on the message?
I'm sorry I didn't even ask you something.
That is really good, guys. Want to try the chicken one now? We made sure that we tried 3 of the meats that they had, which was lamb, the beef, and the chicken. I wanted the fish platter that they have because it looks so good, but you have to pre-order like 3 hours in advance for that meal. I can hear your nose. Down. The cheese pie is really good.
Beautiful.
This one also contained hummus, tomatoes, and pickles. Which I'm not too much of a fan of tomatoes. I didn't know it contained tomatoes, guys. You know, I'm just going to take out the ones that I see. And then I should be okay. Ooh.
Mine was leaking a little bit.
This is good. This is really good. I think the chicken one's my favorite. Nice. Also, guys, his boss is actually in the military. He's home right now, right? He's in town. I believe for the holidays.
Moo over here trying to be a sneaky.
Mm-hmm. Here, this one's yours. Really good. Wish these were a little bit smaller. Some more of the beef. Mm. Rice and some naan bread with
Hummus.
hummus. I'm not sure what flavor of the hummus is though.
It tastes a little
Original. Like we're used to like the spicy. What the hell you got there? Is that a hair?
Yeah.
One of your eyebrow hairs are sticking out weird. The naan bread is really good. Soft. Mm-hmm. I hope everyone had a great Wednesday, guys. It's Wednesday. Halfway through the week. Aren't you glad that it's almost Friday?
I am.
Some more of my habanero sauce. I'm gonna go in with lamb. A lamb. And put a little sauce. Oh yeah, what a little bit of the lamb.
What are you doing, Momo? What are you doing? Yeah. Oh my caca.